In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the all-new task view in Todoist. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this productivity tool, this upgraded feature is designed to make task management more streamlined and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of it. First things first, open your web browser and type in the URL app.todoist.com login. This will take you to the Todoist login page where you can access your account. Once you're on this page, if you already have an account, you'll need to enter your credentials. This will include your email and password, so type those into the appropriate fields. Remember to keep your login details secure to protect your account. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker sign-in process, Todoist offers options to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Simply click on the Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple option, select your account, and you'll be granted access. Now, after you've successfully entered your account, let's focus on how you can use the all-new task view. To start, navigate to your task list and click on any task. This simple action will open the task's dedicated view, giving you access to all its details in one place. Once you're in the task view, you have the opportunity to modify different aspects of the task. Click on the fields to change due dates, projects, or adjust the priority level. You can also add or edit labels and set reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. One of the handy features of this new view is the chevron buttons at the top. These buttons allow you to quickly switch between different tasks without having to go back to your main task list. It's a time-saving feature, especially when you're reviewing or updating multiple tasks in one sitting. If your tasks have subtasks, don't worry, Todoist has thought of everything. Within the new task view, you can easily access any subtasks and make adjustments as needed. This seamless integration ensures that all components of your task are in one accessible place. The overall design of the new task view is aimed at facilitating quick adjustments. With just a few clicks, you can update task details, making your workflow more efficient and less cumbersome. In summary, the all-new task view in Todoist is a powerful tool designed to enhance your productivity by simplifying task management. With features like easy access to task details, quick modification options, and seamless navigation between tasks, it's an invaluable update for anyone looking to stay organized and on top of their to-do list. So go ahead, log in and start exploring this feature to make your task management more efficient. Happy organizing!